Have you ever wondered how to make a traditional Greek moussaka? A dish so rich in flavor, it's like a culinary journey to the sunny landscapes of Greece, right in your own kitchen. This savory meal is a symphony of layered eggplant, spiced ground meat, tomatoes, and a velvety topping of béchamel sauce, all baked to a golden perfection. The journey begins with selecting the ripest eggplants you can find. Slice these beauties into thin rounds, lightly salt them, and set them aside. This process, known as sweating, will draw out the eggplant's natural bitterness, leaving it ready to soak up all the flavors of the dish. While the eggplants are doing their thing, it's time to prepare the meat. Traditionally, Greeks use lamb or beef seasoned with a generous mix of spices: cinnamon, allspice, and black pepper. Sauté the meat in olive oil until it's beautifully browned and aromatic. Next, add a hearty helping of diced tomatoes to the pan, stirring until they meld with the meat and spices. This creates a rich and tangy base that will perfectly balance the creaminess of the béchamel. Speaking of béchamel, it's now time to craft this classic sauce. Start by making a roux with flour and butter, cooking until it's a light golden color. Then slowly whisk in milk until you have a smooth, creamy sauce. Season it with a touch of nutmeg for that traditional Greek flavor. Now, the stage is set for the assembly. This is where the magic happens. Layer the sweated eggplant slices at the bottom of a baking dish, followed by the meat and tomato mixture. Repeat this process until you've used all your ingredients, finishing with a generous layer of béchamel sauce on top. Slide the dish into a preheated oven and bake until the top is golden brown and bubbling. The tantalizing aroma will fill your kitchen, making the wait almost unbearable. And there you have it, a traditional Greek moussaka, a dish that's not just a meal, it's an experience. The interplay of the hearty meat and tangy tomatoes, the soft eggplant, and the creamy béchamel creates a flavor and texture profile that's nothing short of a Mediterranean masterpiece. So, the next time you're yearning for a taste of Greece, why not venture into your kitchen and whip up this delightful dish? It's a culinary adventure you won't soon forget.